दोस्तों वो कहते हैं ना कि उड़ान वो है जो पंखों की मोहताज नहीं, मंच श्रोता शोहरत की तलबगार वो नहीं, तैरना तक सिखा देती है चींची विशाख, डूबते सिर्फ वो है जिनमें जीने की चाह नहीं. So friends, as India was still waiting for GATE 2021 results, but here in VisionGATE, we are celebrating its unbeatable victory. As recently we have got a call from IIT Mumbai that our student Jaydeep Pawar has secured All India rank 1 in Computer Science GATE 2021. And so congratulations Jaydeep.
Thank you.
So Jaydeep, how you are feeling today?
Feeling pretty good and feeling pretty nice that actually the hard work paid off.
So he is our Professor Rajesh Singh sir, and because of whom we are standing, Jaydeep Pawar is standing in front of you. So sir, can you express your views?
Really, it's kind of rare moments for us, and from last 4 years we were waiting for it. First, I would like to provide credit of this success to my late father, Shri Ram Sagar Singh, whose death anniversary is today. Today is his 5th death anniversary, and whatever knowledge as a teacher he has given to me, I am fortunate enough to pass in my students. We have started VisionGATE in 2017 in the month of January. That yes, we are going to produce the results, best results. In the very first year, out of 20 students, 8 students got admission into the IIT, and the best rank secured by Neha, that is All India rank 27. Next year, we have approximately 60 students in VisionGATE for GATE 2019, and out of them 2 students got rank 45, Amok Parab and Mansi Shivani, and 8 students of VisionGATE got offer from ISC Bangalore, and 5 of them joined ISC Bangalore in 2020. That was really inflection point for the VisionGATE. VisionGATE had approximately 80 students. Trust me, at that point even I have not dreamed out that in just couple of years my students are going to get rank 1 or 2. Our milestone that in the next 10 years of the efforts, VisionGATE is going to secure All India rank 1 or 2. But I'll give full credit to my student Tanmay Sule. For GATE 2020, he worked hard. He worked hard like anything. He is from very normal engineering college from the Mumbai University. Before 2020, those students who got rank 27 or 45 from VisionGATE, they were the pass out students. There was a myth. For GATE, you cannot clear with the best rank while you are doing the engineering. But Tanmay Sule and Tushar, they have broken this particular myth, and Tanmay Sule in just 1 year of his preparation secured All India rank 2. He did some very simple mistakes, otherwise this milestone would have been achieved 1 year back. I remember that day when there was exam, Jaydeep was with me, and all GATE 2020 students have given their exam, and then we want to celebrate. So Jaydeep went and bring samosa for all of us. So that kind of a culture we have inherited into the VisionGATE. Jaydeep is kind of a very jolly kind of a students who used to make a fun. It's a good fun actually. We used to discuss, we used to enjoy, we used to laugh in the class. But I remember from that day, Jaydeep became kind of a very serious and disciplined student, and unfortunately, approximately end of the March, this COVID-19 came. VisionGATE was just established 2-3 years back only. We do not have that much kind of a strong operations, technology platforms. But yes, we have a good teacher and we have good students, and which is actually required for the success. And this whole 1 year, we did online classes. Many of you will not believe, Jaydeep used to send a link throughout the whole year, the first person, and he used to do the recording of all those videos, and we have a rigorous lectures. Even there are moments in VisionGATE when we have studied online classes till 11:30 p.m. So we have leveraged that online classes as an opportunity. We started classes as soon as morning 7 a.m. and we have studied till 11:30 and 11:45 p.m. And this results was not accidental results. Jaydeep have attempted test series across India on the multiple platforms, and more than 50% of the cases he secured All India rank 1. And people know, those who know, right, in the internet fraternity, people know his name as Jaydeep VisionGATE, because in every test series he has enrolled Tiger Jaydeep VisionGATE. And we are pretty sure, before the examination, I have told my GATE 2022 students that this year we are going to produce results much better than 2020. Even the whole country is still awaiting for the results to be declared. But we are fortunate enough, just inception of 3-4 years of the VisionGATE, IIT directors called our students Jaydeep, congratulated him, congratulated his parents, and informed that you secured All India rank 1. Yes, we are celebrating, and that is one very important message to all the GATE aspirants. In the limitation, you can perform your best journey. VisionGATE does not have actually good infrastructure at that point of time. We are actually into the incubation stage, you can say, just 3-4 years. We are in premature stage, but we have leveraged that opportunity, and the kind of collaborations, competitive environment you will find VisionGATE will not find anywhere else. But yes, people know Dronacharya because of Arjun, and today I am known as a Professor RSV, known because of Jaydeep and Tanmay Suli, and every teacher is known due to their students only.
Thank you, sir, for sharing your knowledge with us. And the next question I would like to ask to Jaydeep Pawar. So, Jaydeep, what motivated you to go for GATE?
Actually, I attempted JEE in my 12th standard. Results were not up to the mark, so I always had that feeling, the self-doubt kind of, where I am capable of achieving something which I want or not. So I decided, even though I missed once, there is a still chance through the GATE. So after the results of a JEE were declared, I know exactly before the admission into the college computer science stream. In 2017, back then, I had gone through the syllabus of computer science and made the notes that in which semester, which topics I will study and what should be my planning, so that before my 4th year gets complete, I will have what I need. So that was the one fire that I always had in my heart, and I always worked according to the plan. Never broke the discipline, and at the end, it paid pretty well.
So the audience, we are quite grateful to say that like Jaydeep is now a final year student, and as being in a final year student, he secured All India rank 1, and you can see that it's quite possible for you as well. So let's jump on the next question. So I would like to ask, what inspired you to join VisionGATE as a coaching institute?
Actually, I gone through the various fora comments and then found out that VisionGATE is one of the best institute at the time where I was searching. And I remember I was in the after my 3rd semester, I was having the vacation and I was checking which institute should I join. Then I found out that many of the toppers had given the name of VisionGATE on the fora for best institute in Mumbai. So on one day at around 5:30 p.m. I left the home and came here, asked us, sir, will you take the 2nd year student as your student for the GATE coaching in 2020 batch also. Normally people thought that he's just in 2nd year, why he get means he might get frightened of what is going on, how the syllabus is going, the subjects which were I studied by, sir, was almost I'm going to witness 1 or 1.5 year later in my college studies. So, but sir teach me pretty well, so I never felt that these subjects are pretty tough or I can't do them. So it went pretty normal, and it always gives an edge when you know the subjects like year or 1.5 year before. So it's pretty smooth journey for college also. So that was one of the best decision I've that ever made.
So next question I would like to ask, as a student, how was Jaydeep and how do you see him?
To be very honest, feedback, as Jaydeep told, right, he joined into the second year. So in second year, when he joined, I have a two separate batch, one for gate 20, another for gate 21. And for gate 21, we used to discuss about the maths, and gate 20 has a separate class. Jaydeep did not tell you. One day Jaydeep asked me, sir, can I attend the classes with the gate 2020 students? So I have permitted, yes, definitely you can attend classes with gate 2020. As I informed just few minutes back, Jaydeep is very kind of a funny person, and it's not only Jaydeep and me, we all as a teacher, as a student, seniors, right, definitely we are learning technical subjects, and you know the technical subjects are not that much good, right? So definitely we need to pass comments, we need to enjoy, we need to laugh, and then only we are able to motivate. So 2020 students were very serious. Of course, Jaydeep was also very serious in about the class, but he used to pass the comments about the 2020 students. So they used to say, okay beta, whenever you will get chance for the preparation of gate 2021, then we will tell you, right? So unfortunately till last year, third year students cannot appear for the gate examination. I remember people used to give tests for the gate 2020, and those who were in gate 2020, they used to get 60 marks, 65, 70 marks. I asked Jaydeep how much marks you got it. He said 37. So I asked, so somewhere actually your approach of giving tests are actually casual. So you need to be sincere about this. So he said, yes sir, I know the things, but I did lots of silly mistakes. So in third year he was not able to appear for the gate examination, because last year it was not permissible, but this year, from this year onwards, third year student can appear. So once people have given their gate exam and response sheet is available, so we have given the response sheet to the Jaydeep, and Jaydeep appeared into that test as a kind of a mock test, and he secured 68 marks into that particular mock test. And according to that 68 marks, you can get the 200 ranks. And of course, Tanmay secured very well rank, right? So we already achieved rank 2. In the whole year of 21, I have asked 100 number of times, no, this year I want rank 1 only, right? So of course, Jaydeep became very serious, and he started putting the efforts. It's not Jaydeep only, and not only one student. There are many students in VisionGATE who became very serious. Once the result will out, you will find there are many students of VisionGATE who are ranked within 20, ranked within 50, ranked within hundreds, right? So it's kind of very fair competition, very collaborations, and they are very good friends. Yes. That is one of the most important things, not about just only rank. So people put huge amount of efforts. There were 4 or 5 candidates to get the rank 1, but no doubt, I would say, majority of the test series throughout the year, Jaydeep was the most consistent student. So he did not achieve the things due to the luck. He achieved things due to his discipline, his efforts, and his confidence. And after all, yes, definitely, we are thankful to the God that He has given us opportunity now today celebrate AIR 1.
So lastly, I would like to ask a question that what advice would you like to give future GATE aspirants?
I would like to say that the process is the most important part. I did not become the AIR1 because I have got very good marks in the GATE, but rather I feel that because of the process, that effort we put, each day we wake up, we have something in mind, then it depends that how much efforts we are putting, how much sincere we are with ourselves. So the main thing is the process. I am not saying the routine is the thing which you do continuously in every day. I am saying the process means you are thinking about what best you can do, you are constantly refining yourself. So believe in process, the result will always turn into in favor, and then it doesn't matter what the result is, because you have become the person which you want to be, then you are more than happy with yourself, and that's what matters the most.
So thank you, Jaydeep. Thanks a lot, sir, for your time. And would you like to share anything?
Yes. So definitely results will come out in few minutes, and best wishes to all the students across the India, and my suggestion to all the GATE aspirants, irrespective of whatever your marks, right, whether you are very good students, excellent students, average or below average, it is your consistent efforts which only can achieve success for you, nothing else can achieve. You have to identify the person who can guide you and motivate you. And today Mohib was not able to ask many questions from Jaydeep, and definitely we will arrange sessions for students when Jaydeep will share more than half an hour, right? How what was his actually timetable when he used to wake up, what are the subjects, how he has done the planning, and how he has covered all the subjects. I just would like to highlight here those who are the computer science student. This time there was a question regarding to the articulation point, and Jaydeep has read the subject so thoroughly that he has already recorded in his notes that if there are articulation points, then property X and property Y hold must true. And this was the problem which rarely any student is able to solve. I don't say that only Jaydeep was able to solve. This India is very big, there are many talented students, but this was one of the questions which rarely any students are able to solve. And that is one reason that he achieved All India rank 1. So he has covered all the subjects very thoroughly. But look at everyone, exam day is your worst day. I am telling you, Jaydeep is in front of me. He did maximum possible mistakes whatever he can do in his examination. Even I'll here say in front of everyone, he solved many problems, but there was a problem to identify the equivalence relation, and he marked if the relation is reflexive and symmetric, then it is equivalence. Why I am telling this thing? Patience is very important. And if you will do even a single question mistake in your examination, then you are going to pay very huge penalty for this one. And we were worried for this, maybe due to this question only, we may miss out the rank 1, but we got the rank 1 with the huge actually margin. So fortunately we are able to get that rank 1 right, approximately 10 marks margin. So I'll say students that whenever you are giving the examinations, right, you should be in the best state of your mind. Your patience, confidence, discipline, knowledge, each and everything matters. You did a small mistakes, then you are losing the chance. And VisionGATE, I would like to announce here, VisionGATE is this time going to celebrate this results like anything much beyond our boundary. And before that, probably into the next week, in couple of days, you will find that the Jaydeep will students will ask question with the Jaydeep, and Jaydeep will be honest, tell exactly the correct thing. Whatever mistakes he did, he will also tell those things. It doesn't mean that he got rank 1, then he did not do any mistakes. He has also done multiple mistakes, right? Sometimes also he lost patience also, right? And he was over pressure. So he will discuss what are the soft things impacted, how technically you need to put efforts, how you need to manage your times, how you need to manage your engineering and get both together. Jaydeep did not tell, I think he got some more than 9.5, how much pointer now? 9.5. 9.5 pointers into the current semester. So rank 1, 9.5 pointer, what else you need in your life? So thank you all.